children will be on vacation and me still at home. I have a plans. That's something different today in the backyard, small backyard. I'm gonna construct a small pizza oven as my children really like pizza and of course me. And it's a good landscape also in the house as I'm doing now also. So there's a lot of classic design of pizza. So I choose the square because it's very practical to use. You can use a food pan inside or any square pan inside or even the round one. So I choose this classic one. She's gonna draw completely. She has a good talent in terms of drawing. So now this is the design. You have to look into this. I want the square one. So that will be the base, anak, right? Really talented enough for that, huh? And that will be the door, right? Yeah, beautiful. Well, details, huh? Even the layer of the bricks, huh? You can be architect or not. But the problem, you are not good in math, right?
Na-expose ako.
So that will be the chimney. Alright. Okay, show me your drawing, anak. Alright, so it's gonna be our pizza oven in the backyard. I want to see your face, please.
Ayun.
Hey, come on, show me your face. Alright, thank you, anak. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is the final drawing. I'm going to ask my brother. He's the one very expert in terms of measurement and also the estimation of the materials. So the thing that I need to do to find out is the bricks. because here in the Philippines it's very seldom they are using the bricks. So that's the only thing. I think it's a bit a long journey to find. I'm going to travel for different city, municipality to find out that one. Cement, it's easy. The steel for the chimney is easy. The hollow blocks and the plaster, the cement and the steel is easy. So my brother will take care of everything to estimate the measurement. The one who built also my small house. Alright, so now, sorry I'll not be able to take apart the video during the measurement of my brothers. So this is the final measurement, 80 by 80, and the base is 80 by 80 also, and we will have one allowance here, 1 meter by 1 meter. And the chimney I'm going to decide later on. And the height also, it's estimated 30 and 10 cm. Alright, so it will take three days because there is a curing process. I don't know exactly the terminology of construction. So after we managed to have a landscape surrounded by the house, today we're gonna make one of my favorite pizza oven. As you can see, guys, it's small, simple, but it's not easy to make like this one. Gonna be, this one is the foundation, as you can see, the floorings, and serves as a shelves. And then the next procedure is the base, and it follows with the base. After the foundation, now we're gonna proceed to the base. So we have to put steel also on it. I don't know exactly the terminology for construction. So this is how it looks like. It's a perfect square. So next will be the mixture of the cement and sand. So we finished the ground floor. This is the ground floor. So this is the bricks should be layer on the down, so it will hold the heat. Now the next procedure will be, we are making a dome here. So to be able to stand down here, so we have to make this pattern, stencil. pizza molds. So we're gonna layer the tiles on the side. It's almost done, so tomorrow we're gonna have a finishing on the top to make it more strong. Still the chimney. It's gonna be the chimney. For the smoke will go out on this side. Right, so the plaster has been done. We're gonna make something small, simple out on it. So it's gonna be very durable pizza oven. We coated with the plaster from the bricks. And now we're going to start with the door. So Nai is the skilled foreman. He's all around. He can do everything, huh? Right. Alright, so it's gonna be the door, huh? This is the frame of the door. Perfect. To remove the molds. Yeah. So now look at this. So this is a perfectly dome like a cave. Beautiful. We try to open. No? So it's gonna be like this. Wonderful. Drill on it on the floor so it will become very durable because every time it's keep moving. We make something holes on it till to the core, and we're gonna this is serve as a stopper of this swing door. So because it's keep moving, so we have to have something that's foundation in it, so it will not crack our bricks. Stopper also in it. Right, so now we start covering the front side. We install already our door. You see here. So the front side, and after that the plaster. So we are finished today. Soon we have a really good pizza. Preparazione pizza napolitana. So now we are doing the plastering, cover the cement of it, and it's gonna be the last procedure. Alright, now it has been done. Here we go. So we're just waiting to harden the surface and also cleaning the dome inside. And that will be the pizza zone. To make it more classic, we're gonna color with the red cement on it. Since we coated our bricks with the cement, the plaster, so to be more classic and attractive, we're gonna use red cement on it and to paint. There are two strokes, up and down, and then left and right. So it will come up with the abstracts, nice abstracts. Here should be like this way. So it's almost done. After that we're gonna put cement on the lines, so it will be more stunning. The color will come out. Cheers on guys, we have a beautiful fantastic pizza. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. This is Archie again. Coming soon, our fantastic pizza here in the village. Noy, my all-around foreman who built this fantastic pizza oven.